Hey guys, what's going on? I have a new Elliott L65 here. Elliott has a new feature on the L65 and on the L50. It's called a boom, stow, unstow feature. And if you don't use this function correctly, you may crash your basket into the ground. And if you do that, it's going to cost you a whole ton of money to fix the basket. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to properly operate it. What I like to do is I like to leave the platform about a foot above the ground, so it gives me a little bit of wiggle room in case I go the wrong way when I'm on the platform and I want to go up. So let's jump into this video. I'm going to show you how to use this feature the correct way so that this doesn't happen to you when you crash your basket into the ground and cause a whole lot of damage. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you have a question, leave a comment. So once your outriggers are deployed and the truck is leveled, if you want to gain access to from the ground, you need to hit this button right here. It says O/HYD power on. Press that, and that'll enable your platform stow and stow. So you're going to press this button when it's green and hold it in. And this works on both sides. Right now I'm on the curb side, and there's also the same button on the street side if you want to gain access on the other side of the truck. So I'm going to hold the button in, and we're going to watch the boom come out and come down. So I like to stop the platform when you're about a foot off the ground to give yourself a little bit of wiggle room. Once you're in the platform and you want to start working for the day, you hit this button here. It says enable upper control. So you press that, and then it's going to send power to your upper controls right here. And then you can start working. You can go up, down, sideways, and do what you need to do. So now when you're done working for the day and you want to automatically restow your platform from the ground controls, I'll show you what to do. So you're going to want to come over here and press the power on button again, then hit it again, and it's going to go over to the platform stow and stow. You got to press that, press this and push it in, and then your boom will come up off the ground and it'll automatically stow in the boom rest. Now when you're done, you can come back to the power on button, press it, and then you can automatically stow your outriggers. Put it on high idle. And the same for the street side. So if you press this button right here, they'll automatically come back in, retract. And that's how you use the stow and stow feature on your Elliott L65. I hope this video has helped you out. And if you have any questions, throw a message in the comment area and we'll reply back to you. Thanks for checking us out.